Hello, my name's Alexis McHugh.
And I'm Ariana Pugh.
Welcome to Kitchen Central. This is a cooking show for students by students.
In each episode, you can join us in the Culinary Nutrition Center, where we're going to show you how to make healthy, inexpensive recipes at home.
Today we will be making vegan gnocchi with spinach and tomatoes.
We've chosen to make this recipe vegan, but feel free to use dairy products.
You will need 4 ounces of grape tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 teaspoons of dairy-free cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs.
Vegetable stock, a 1/4 cup of dairy-free shredded cheese, salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 package of gnocchi, and 5 ounces of spinach. To cook the gnocchi, heat your water to a boil and add the gnocchi, and then cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to make the breadcrumbs. First, turn the pan on to medium heat, and then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then next, we're going to add the breadcrumbs. And then after you heat the breadcrumbs up, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Cook the breadcrumbs for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're toasted, and then transfer them to another plate. Now, you can wash off the pan and use it to make the cream sauce.
Now we're going to begin making the sauce for our pasta. The first thing you're going to want to do is to turn your pan on medium heat. Then you're going to want to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and put it in your pan. After this, you're going to want to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix these two together until fragrant. Now that you have the garlic and olive oil in the pan and they've sat on the burner for at least a minute, you're going to want to add 1/3 cup of water, your stock concentrate, and you're going to want to add your dairy-free cream cheese. Mix all of these together. Then you're going to want to add some salt and pepper to this once it's all mixed together. Now you're going to add your tomatoes and your spinach to the sauce. Make sure when you're using produce that you wash all of it beforehand. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until your spinach is wilted and your tomatoes are softened.
Lastly, add the gnocchi to the pan and coat thoroughly.
Now it's time to plate our gnocchi.
To top it off, we're going to add our toasted breadcrumbs. Then we're going to add our chili flakes. And lastly, our shredded cheese.
You can substitute dairy-free cheese or regular cheese.
And now it's time to taste.
I really like the gnocchi, and I think that it's a really good substitute for regular pasta. It's very affordable and it's something different to your palate. And that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching. I'm Alexis McHugh.
And I'm Ariana Pugh. We'll see you next time in Kitchen Central.
This episode of Kitchen Central was brought to you by the Nutrition and Dietetics program at Central Michigan University and the newly renovated Allen Foundation Culinary Nutrition Center.
Look for us at www.cmich.edu. Search for dietetics.
Fire up chips!